Come test drive the 2018 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, front suspension type, double wishbones, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, rear step bumper, fog lights, braking assist. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.